welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick demo of what Smartschool is all about, the features and the benefits of Smartschool. So first of all, when you sign up with Smartschool, you will get a school website that is going to serve as a front page of your school, which displays everything about your school from the admission form. The website also show your admission form, your contact, your gallery, and your notice board and your teachers. So you are going to get a school website for free for using our school management software. All right, so the next thing we are going to show you is the dashboard. So in the Smart School website, in the Smart School portal, the dashboard shows a quick glance. On a quick glance, you can see number of students in your school, parents, teachers, subjects, inactive students, graduated students, inactive parents, and inactive teachers. Then here you are going to view the income account summary. You can see the school has 100,000 naira as income, and here they have 7,650 naira as expenses. They also have 14,800 here as income. So this is what this place is all about. Then here you can also view basic details and your calendar. We are going to show if there's any activity or any event on any date, you can view it here. Another thing is the simplicity of uploading of student results. Just click on the mark section, then click on add mark, then select the class you want to impute or add mark on. I'm going to select this class. Select the subject, let me say music as your subject. Click on add, click on mark. Then it's going to show you list of all the students in the class. Then you can easily impute the scores. Let me say 15, 12, 45, 55. This one 12, 12, 2, 12. Then you click on add mark. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to impute any score on these students. Click on add mark. You can see successful. Then to view your results, go to the report section and click on the terminal reports. Click on the terminal reports and select the class, select the term, first term, second term, or third term. Then you select the students, click on get reports. This is the result sheet. You can also add your teacher comment or head teacher's comment. You can also send this as a PDF to your teachers or to the parents on their email, or you can also download it as a PDF, or you can print it out as a hard copy document. Then the software can also generate tabulation sheets. Click on tabulation sheets. Click on tabulation sheets and you select the class, grade 7, the term, and the section. If you want to view the whole student's tabulation sheet, don't select any student, just click on get reports. Here is going to show you the student's name, the roll number, each subject score. You can see everything, and their total CGPA or their total mark here. So this is the tabulation sheet and a whole lot of things. You can also upload your documents or your ebooks. Let me see, have books you want to assign, or you can also give assignments. Let me show you the assignment module. Click on add assignments. Click on add assignments. Then you give the student assignment to upload the assignment here. If you want to view the assignment that you have already given, you just select the class, Then it's going to show the assignments and the deadline for each of the assignments you gave to the students. Look at this one, holiday assignment, deadline 31st December 2021. This is the section, and due to I'm not an uploader, you can see the person that uploaded this one, the teacher's name, the section, the deadline, the assignment. Then for the student, you can also download the documents and do the assignments and upload to the portal. Then you can also upload your syllabus to the portal. You can also upload your syllabus to the portal to enable the parents to view what the students are learning per academic section. Let me say in English, you upload the syllabus, mathematics, you upload the syllabus. So this is, you can add a syllabus here, but this is the one that have already been uploaded, English syllabus for 2023-2024, and these are the details. You can also take an online exam. Look at the online exam. All right, we have a comprehensive tutorial on all the features of the software. You can check the comments or you can check the description of this video to access a quick, a extensive, a comprehensive tutorial on all the features. So this software helps you to automate your processes, even payments of school fees, accounting, inventories. You can also upload your tutorial to the platform. You can also take leave. You can also monitor visitors in the school. A whole lot of things, online admission. There are a lot of things that is accessible, but we have a quick tutorial, a comprehensive tutorial on that you can find the link on the description of this video. So this is just a quick overview. So if you want to log out, you can log out. The software also generates automatic registration number and automatic password for all the students and all the staff, and we they get their registration or login details in their email address. So these are the features of Smart School software. All right, thank you. And if you have any question or any confusion on the usage of Smart School or what it's all about, you can feel free to contact us so we can guide you through. Thank you.